Hey, do you need a website like this but don't have any technical skills? No problem. I will show you how you can create great website using your imagination. With Wix, you can build and create your own stunning professional looking website in an instant with just a few clicks. Having a website for your business gives you an edge and can give you a great factor when it comes to increasing your revenue. Why hire a professional when you can do it yourself? Let me show you how. Now you're on your way to creating your first professional website. All you have to do is click Create New Site over here, or you can click over here. First, choose what kind of website you want to create. Is it for your online store? Do you want to create a blog? Or is it for a portfolio that showcase your skills and talents? Wix offer a whole lot of categories no matter what industry you are in. For example, restaurant and food. Under that, there's a subcategory that includes catering and chef, restaurant, cafe and bakery, bar and club, food and drinks. All you have to do is choose a template that can best describes whatever website you want to create. I suggest simple design, or choose a simple design, and just be as creative as you can as you go along. Now, once you have a design, all you have to do is click edit and you can start editing your future website. I actually made one myself just to show you how you can create a website out of a free template. So under fashion and clothing, I actually decided to go along with this. This is the original template, and after editing everything, this is what it looks like. Okay, everything here is customizable. From manage pages, background, you can actually add any applications, media, start blogging, and of course your store. Alright, so let me show you how you can change everything to your preference. So over here on the left portion, you have the menus and pages, the background where you can change the themes. You can actually add anything from media, videos, and also gallery, interactive buttons, and so on and so forth. Over here you can add applications like a Facebook page or a Pinterest, anything. Now over here is the media where you can actually upload different videos and photos as well. Now here you can start blogging if you want to create blogs and write something about your products or your shop itself. Now what you see over here reflects on the menu. Like for example, on your home button you can see the shop all, the women, men, sale, about, and the contact. Okay, now I will show you how you can edit the title of your website. You can do double click, or you can click edit text. Let's see you're doing a free shipping nationwide. Okay, all you have to do is just click X, or if you want to change the font, you can just drag this one down, and there's a whole lot of font designs that you can choose from. For example, this one. All right, or you can actually adjust the font size if you want it bigger or if you want it smaller, your choice. Then you can just click X and voila. Then if you want to edit everything over here, you can just click edit text, and you can actually add animation. For example, the bounce in, or if you want to glide in, or you can choose fade in, the float in, expand in, and so many more. Okay. Now if you want to change the background of your website, all you have to do is just click here, right click, and then you can change strip background, layouts, or stretch it. Let's try change strip background. Now you can change the color, or you can the image, and of course you can place videos. Let's try the image. Now what you can do here is you can upload your own media from your computer or under your favorites if you have any saved items. Now let's go to media from Wix. They actually offer a lot of images for free, and you can also have Shutterstock where it's you can pay for as low as $2 per image. But since we're doing a free website, let's try media from Wix. You can actually search anything, like for example, since you're doing a t-shirt items, you can just search for t-shirt, and then Wix will provide you numerous images for free. So for example, you want to check or to want to try this one, all you have to do is just click that, wait for it to load, then click change background. There you go. Now these buttons over here are actually customizable. If you want to change it, just click change text and change the title of the button. If you want to remove it, just right click and you can click delete. Now this heading is actually customizable as well. You can click on manage menu, and then you can just drag everything from here. If you want to change shop all, you want women first or men first, you can do that. Now how can you change the product? All you have to do is manage products, then select everything from your computer, of course. Hang on, let's wait for it to load. And there you are. You can click new product, digital or physical. Of course, since you're doing a website, you can if like for example ebooks, printable or digital albums, you can do that. Since we're doing a online shop for a t-shirt, let's click physical, and then it will redirect you to this page. And of course you have to have a title for your product, for example color shirts. Then you can just click on add images, or if you want a video, you can do that as well. Then the basic product information, like the name of the product, ribbon, or is it like a new arrival, is it summer type of summer, let's say summer collection, and then the price, is it on sale or not, and then the description of the product. And then once you're done, you can go ahead and click on save. Easy as that. Now under menus, you can edit the about page. Okay, everything here is customizable, so all you have to do is just click edit, and then you can write everything about how you started, what is your store about, what products you offer, and so on and so forth. Right, so over here, this is the website that I created earlier. So what I can suggest is just play around with the website, like do some explorations or something like that. Don't worry, you don't have to worry if you're doing it the correct way or not, because it's just so easy. Now there's an undo button here that you can click whenever you decide not to continue with that editing. So this is it. And also what I like about this one is that Wix free templates are actually responsive. You can actually view how your website looks like in your on your mobile phones or on your website. If you click on mobile, you can see this one. So this is actually how your website will gonna look like when somebody's viewing it using their mobile phones. And once you're done editing everything, now all you have to do is just click on save, or before that, if you want to check, you can click on preview. Let me just show it to you. Ta-da. Or if you want to switch to desktop, you want to see how, or what's, how will it look like over on website, I mean on desktop. So this is how you're gonna do it. So everything is here, your brand over here. This is the text, the title that you just edited with animation, and the buttons and your products over here, and of course you have a lot of stuff going on over here. So easy as that one. Okay, so again, if you're satisfied with the results, then go ahead and save your creation. Okay, then just click on save and continue. Okay, easy as that. Now that's it. If you want to create your own unique and stunning website, start now by clicking the link below, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.